Alright, what's up guys? TCR-M here. We'll be doing a unboxing on the new MST TCR-M. So it does have a 225 wheelbase. Comes with the Miata body. The kit was about $150 from my local hobby shop. They brought it in today, so I went over right when they opened to grab one of these. I'll be running a Hobbywing 1060 brushed ESC, and then I'll be using my old 27T motor and servo from my regular TCR, and then probably switch the regular TCR to brushless. So this will be the brush setup, 27 turn motor, so Miata body. Main difference is the smaller wheelbase, and they do have suspension in here, shocks, compact shocks in here. So today's video will be just an unboxing, and then we'll do a build video in the future, maybe during this weekend here. So let's go ahead and open this up here. It's another shot of the Miata body here. So I believe it uses most of the same parts as the regular TCR, except like I believe the arms. And I know it comes with two sets of arms so you can have it more narrow. Everything's falling out. Alright, let's set that down here. So it comes with a bunch of stickers. Got a bunch of stickers here, and you know, the instructions to assemble the kit, more decals and stickers to paint, cover the windshield and everything. I believe those are the mirrors. The mirrors are inside. And then here's the frame. Yeah, definitely smaller, 225. I don't have my other TCR here with me at the moment, so I can't compare, but it's pretty small. Bring out all the parts. So these are the wheels that it came with, stock wheels, but I'll be using a different set because the tires that these came with do wear down pretty fast. So I'll be using these ones by Sweep Racing. So you can see the number code here. And then search it up. I believe I got these for 20 bucks each set, so I got two sets. And then all your parts here. I'm wondering, oh, you can see the shocks there. I'm wondering if it came with light housing. Body post, bumper area, the tires that I just like for show, so I won't be using these, just for, you know, when it's in the scale garage. Tools, standard tools, all your screws. Yeah, basically all the same parts I see. I don't see any light housing. I know the Civic came with light housing. Okay. Alright. battery tray there. Okay, servo mounts. Got the brake calipers. No light housing, I see. Let's go check the other side here. Foam, tires, foam. Alright, so that's basically the unboxing. We'll do a build video in the next couple of days. So this is how the Miata body looks like here. So I'm gonna compare it to my WPL D12 that I do have, and they're about the same size here. Yeah, they're about the same size. So actually what I might do is try putting the D12 body on the TCR-M, since I do have 2 of those. So I might give that a go. So yeah guys, basically all the parts came in. I'll be using 27T motor, 1060 Hobby Wing ESC. I'll be using probably the Fly Sky GTS5, since I do have an extra receiver. So that's basically the short, quick unboxing, everyone. I know it's just an unboxing. I'll be doing the build video in a bit. So let's take another look at the box though, so you can see the Miata here. Very nice looking. Might pick up extra body just so I don't mess this up. But yeah guys, so TCR-M, very cool.